Hello, my lovely friend. Hope you are doing great. Are you ready to do this one together? So first pause the video and think about it. Okay, it's my turn. Let's start. Here we are gonna find the final value of this expression. Okay, we can say I love to do first this exponent and write uh, 3 to the power of 2 and then minus 4. And someone else says, no, first I really like to do this parentheses and then go for other operation. We can't do it, okay? We have to have the same final answer. We have to follow order of operation to have the same final answer. What's the order of operation? Order of operation, I write here the words bed, math, bed, math. You have to memorize it with your heart forever. Okay, anywhere you go and you see expression that use a multiple of operation, you have to follow this order of operation. Anyway, the B stands, I have to say B stands for bracket or parentheses. E stands for exponent. So B stands for bracket or parentheses. E stands for exponent or power. D and M, I get both of them in the same order because they are in the same order. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and stands A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Okay, they are in the same order, so I have to do bracket or parentheses before exponent. Then I will go for exponent to see I have any exponent or power or not. Okay, how about when I have the multiple of operation expression? Okay, all of the operation are in the same order. Then I say, okay, we have to go from left to right. Left to right. Anyway, let's do this one. You will get it very well. First of all, I have to start from bracket or parentheses. I write bit mass in the corner of my paper. And then I start to see, do I have any bracket or parentheses here? Yes, here I have one. So I will go inside the parentheses. And I say, I have only operation 10 minus 3 gives me 7. Do we have more? No, we don't have more parentheses or bracket. Parentheses or bracket. So I will go for exponent. Then I have to go for exponent. Do I have any exponent? Yes. One here, 7 to the power of 2. We see. Inside this parenthesis, rise to the power of 2. So 7 to the power of 2. And one here, 3 to the power of 2. Okay, I will write the final answer. 7 to the power of 2 gives me 49. And then 3 to the power of 2 gives me 9. Okay, do we have more? No, we don't have more exponent. I will go for division and multiplication. Same order. So here I have division sign, here I have multiplication sign. Which one do I have do first? I say division from left to right. So I say 45 divided by 9 gives me 5. So I write 5 here. 4 times 5 gives me 20. I write 20 here. And for this parenthesis, I had 49. Between 49 and this 5, I have addition sign. And between this 5 and this 20, I have subtraction sign. Addition and subtraction are in the same order. So what do we have to do? We have to go from left to right. So I start from left to right. 49 plus 5 gives me 54. Minus 20 gives me 34. Great job. We are done for the first part, first expression. And if you follow this order of operation, you have to get the same answer, 34. That's it. Other answer absolutely will be wrong. Okay, I will go for the second one. Here, I see one bracket, but inside my bracket, I have one parenthesis as well. So I have to start from the innermost and then go for the innermost. I come inside this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, I see 3 to the power of 2 and then plus 1. So let me change my color. 3 to the power of 2 gives me 9, plus 1 gives me 10. I will write here 10. And then I get rid of this parenthesis, inner parenthesis. I will come to do other operation inside the bracket. One addition sign, one division sign, which I have to do. Which one is first? Yes, division sign. So I say 50 divided by 10 gives me 5. And then 5 plus 2 gives me 7. I got rid of these brackets. Now I will count for the other operation that I have here. I have 2 to the power of 4, then multiply by 3. We know we have to do exponent. So exponents first. 2 to the power of 4 gives me 16, and then multiply by 3, which is 3 times 6, 8, and 3 times 3, 48. 2 times 1. 3 plus 1 gives me 4, 48. And between this 48 and this 7, I had subtraction sign. So the final answer, I should get 41. Great job. I come for the last one here. First, bracket or parentheses. I have 2 parentheses here. Which one? Doesn't matter. As I said, when I have order, same order, I have to first start from left to right. So here 5 times 3, 15. Then I come here, 7 minus 2 to the power of 2. So first I have to do exponent. So 7 minus 4 gives me 3. I got rid of this parenthesis. I will go for other operation. Do I have exponent? Yes, here. Do I have more? No. So I have to go for division or multiplication. Here I have 1 division, or which gives me 90 divided by 90 divided by, I write here 90 divided by 15, both of them divisible by 3. I always try to do it. And then 30 divided by 5 gives me 6. So I think 90 divided by 50 gives me 6. I write it here. And then I will go for other order of operation. Here I see, oh, between 8 and 3 I have multiplication sign. 3 times 8 gives me 24. Great job. Between 6 and 24 I have addition. 6 plus 24 gives me 30. Okay, it's my final answer. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed. If you enjoyed, subscribe, share with your friend, and stay tuned. I will see you in the next new problem. Bye bye for now.